Today we're working on the 2007 Yamaha FZ6. It's been recently thrashed a little bit, so I figured why not take out the starter, check it out, and I noticed there's no videos really online about how to remove your starter on a bike. So this is going to be an instructional video on how to remove the starter. So first things first, you're going to want to take off your seat, which I've already done that. And then you're going to remove your bolts from your gas tank. You got two up top, one here, and you'll be able to pop it up and out. I went ahead and already removed the two plugs for the fuel pump, right here, green and white. And I also disconnected the inlet, or the outlet to the motor, to the fuel rail. So that's already been disconnected. So I'll just set it aside for now. Just have it out of the way. Alright, your next step is going to be to take out your intake box, in which you have two bolts or screws up top that you remove that also hold down your battery cover. Then you have a sensor here that comes out, two hoses here, one extra hose that connects there, and then there's also a hose on the back side, which I've already removed all these items, and that hose goes right there. Oh yeah, also you have to loosen up your little grommets here that connect to all your intake valves. Butterfly valves. Set that aside for now. Now, in a video I did watch of a guy doing an R6, he took off his intake manifold. Well, I discovered that you actually don't have to do that. What you could do is just pick up a couple extensions, just like that, and that should give you enough room to get down and get to the starter bolts, which I'll show you here. Probably actually can't see them, but if you just go right in between the valves, you can easily access your starter bolts. So I'll go ahead and take those out right now. Also, there's a positive contact that comes from your positive battery to the top of your starter. That's where your solenoid is, or your motor switch, and that goes into your crankcase. So I'm going to take that out using a 10mm wrench. Pop that out. Pop it through, just get it out of the way. Now you can pull out your bolts that hold your starter in place. Probably just use a magnet because, you know, that's a smart thing to do.
It's a big ass magnet.
Yeah, but it works wonderful. I would have thought of that last night. Okay. Now, those are the only things that hold your wire and your starter in place, other than a little O-ring, which I'm going to show you now. You just pop out your starter out of the crankcase using a screwdriver or pry bar. And you got to kind of wiggle it around, kind of rotate it. And I'll show you why. There's some ears, which is where the starter mounts to the motor itself. And voila, here's your starter. And these are the ears. It's kind of a lip there, so that gets hung up on wires or whatever that's in there.